Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your preparation well for the examination as it is nearby. So, the chapter which is coming, that is the last chapter which we have completed, chapter 6, which you have to go through and you have to learn each and everything from that chapter so that the question can come. If the question can come from anywhere, you will be able to give the answer. All the things, okay, all the things throughout the chapter you have to go through. Okay, whatever thing I have explained, that also, like I have explained you all the question answer, short question answer, prayer, and all whatever has been done. Today we are going to move on with the new chapter, my dear, and that chapter name is, just see, we are here to discuss moral science we are already knowing. In moral science, we generally used to learn the things which we should inculcate, which we should adopt in ourselves, okay, so that we can be a good person, a good citizen of the society, okay. This is the chapter one word auxiliaries language, okay. One word auxiliaries language. What does it mean? See, one world, there is a one world, my dear. We all are living in a planet, okay, that is Earth is a planet where the life used to exist, and this is only the planet where different kinds of language has been used by different people, but we all are living in one world, okay. So one world, what it is written, I'm underlining, just see, one world language will help the people of the world to communicate with each other freely and to help each other easily. See, one world language, okay? One world language means if there will be one language, or if there will be if we are using any one common language, it will help us out. It will help out the world in understanding each of us. Okay, whatever we want to say or whatever we are trying to say, it can be understood by the person or by the other if we are communicating in a same language. So there is a one world language, there is a common some language with which we used to communicate with each other. So you can see, we would not need to spend time, energy, and resources to master diverse language. Okay, we don't have to waste so much time, okay, in learning all kind of languages, in learning all kind of things, but we can spend some of the time, we are not wasting, we would not need to spend, okay, our energy, our time, okay, but there is only one common language. If there will be only one common language, it would be definitely understood by everyone. At that phase of time, we don't have to learn so many different language to understand each other's feeling or what other is saying. So one language in the world is said as that language is helping us out in doing good and in doing some prosperity and making our world in a in letting everyone leading the world nicely. So you can see, you don't have to waste the resources, you don't have to waste the energy, or we don't have to spend too much time on these things. See, we would be at the liberty to talk to anyone we wish. We are having the liberty. The word here liberty means freedom. We all have got the liberty, we all have got the freedom to talk with each other, to spend time with each other, to understand each other's language. If someone is having some problem also, okay, in speaking or in saying anything, so they are as a special people, so they are also is having some sign language, will help them out to communicate with us. So there are so many things through which we used to communicate with each other. God has made, okay, God has made different languages in different state, okay, everyone is using different language in different state, but we all are living one using one common language, okay. Throughout the world, everyone is using that language. Either you can say it can be Hindi or it can be English. Okay, this is a language which is being used by each and everyone in the country. so that everyone can understand whatever we are trying to say, or everyone can understand what's our feeling towards them or towards the thing which we are likely to say. So one word helped us, okay, to communicate with each other in a very nice and a pleasant manner. Having a common language would facilitate communication and enhance the bond of friendship across the global. If we all will have one common language, suppose if we will take Hindi as a common language and everyone will use Hindi in the whole world, then we all can cooperate with each other, we all can communicate with each other, and we can share a bond of friendship. Okay, we can facilitate, okay, we can share the things with each other, okay, our feelings, whatever we would like to say, or whatever the things are, we can share with each other without any difficulty or any problem, if we all will share one kind of particular language through which we can understand each other's feeling. So the story which I'm going to start here, okay, that story is all about this one. Okay, we are going to begin the story, okay, of there are four or three friends, okay, of that we are going to, that story we are going to begin. We are going to learn that how one particular language is very important in communication. Okay, if everyone is suppose someone is speaking in Odia, if someone is speaking Gujarati, someone is speaking Malayalam, so it's difficult for us to understand each and other's language because we are not at all aware and we have not learned all the languages. We are not having the knowledge of all the language. There are more than 100 languages in the world, my dear, worldwide, and we are using that. Okay, so but we are using the Hindi or English, two languages. So there is that Hindi is a common language in the all over the world, which everyone is using everywhere. Okay, we all are learning different languages. Okay, like some are learning the Arabic language, some are learning the Spanish language, some are learning the French language. But these language we are using, they are the language of different countries. We are having the language of different states even, but still, there is one common language of all of us, that is the Hindi language. See what the story is all about. I want a vinaigrette. I want a vinaigrette. Okay, once upon a time. Okay, what it is saying? Once upon a time means there was a very, in the past time it had happened someday, that once upon a time, that is why it is written, five tourists belonging to the five emerald countries were you touring a new country together. Okay, what it is saying, once upon a time, five tourists were there. Tourists are those persons who loves to travel from one country to another country for gaining some knowledge, for some purpose, or for their benefit in any way. So there are the five tourists who were traveling, and they five were from different countries, were touring a new country together. Means they are going to they are all of five were from different countries. Maybe from America, maybe from Dubai, maybe from France, maybe from anywhere. There are so many. So they all are from different countries, but they all together are traveling. Okay, and in touring. Okay, they are exploring the new country. Okay, now one of them was from Arabia. Okay, one of them was from Arabia. Okay, Arabia is a country. Okay, Arabia is a country. One from Greece. Greece is also a country. One from India. One is from India also. One from England. One from England. And one from the Russia. They are from five countries. One from Arabia. One from Greece. One is from India. One is from England. And one is from Russia. And each and everywhere, my dear, they use different languages. Like in Arabia, they use Arabic language. In Greece, they use Greek language. In India, we use Hindi or English language. In England, they use English language. In Russia, they use Russian language. So they all are using different languages as they all belongs to a different country. They had did they did not know each other's language. They are not knowing each other's language. They are not knowing how to communicate with each other. But how they used to communicate, how they used to travel. I else they are not knowing each other's language. Only they are knowing that their country, and they are knowing that we all belong to different countries. So how they used to communicate with each other. At around lunch time, they all felt hungry. At the time, okay, there was a lunch time, and at that time, maybe in the midday, okay, maybe in the midday when there is lunch time, which we also used to take the lunch at the midday. So that time only they all were feeling hungry. So they all were thinking that what to do. Okay, they are sitting and they are thinking that we have to take the lunch, as they all were very hungry. See, after that, what happened? See, the Arab the Arab said, I want anab. Okay, I want anab. The Greek said, I want Steph, Steph Lion. The Indian said, I want angur. The British said, I want grapes. The Russian said, I want vinaigrette. Okay, they all have used different language. Okay, because as they were from different country, for saying the same thing, for asking for the same thing, that is grapes. Okay, that is for grapes. They all have used different language. Okay, they have said anab. They have said Steffi Lion. They have said angur. They have said grapes. They have said vinegar. Okay, vinaigrette. So they are using different languages. In reality, they all want the same thing, that is grapes. In the reality, they all are wanting the same thing. It's not like that if they are using different languages, if they are asking in different language, it is not like that they are asking different things. They all are demanding for the grapes only, but by in their own languages. But they could not understand each other, but they are not understanding each other. At the same time, they all are asking for the same thing, but eventually they all are not getting each other. Okay, so they started fighting with each other, each one insisting that one. Okay, what happened? Instead of cooperating with each other, instead of finding out the solution which they can get through that what the other is asking, they all started fighting that I want this, I want that, like this. They all have started fighting as they all were asking the same thing, but they all are not knowing eventually that they all are asking the same thing indeed. Okay, so in that case, they all started fighting. After that, what happened? Each one insisting that what he want was better than what the other wants. Everyone was fighting on the same thing, that what I want is much precious and much beneficial than what you are asking. Okay, and what you are demanding. So it's a foolishness, my dear. It's a kind of foolishness, I will say, because they all were asking for the same thing, but as there was a lack of communication, they all were not able to communicate with each other in a proper way. They all were very tired, and they all were started fighting, but they are not getting out the solution that what to do and how to get that what other is asking. Instead of all these things, they all started fighting for the same thing. Okay, for the same thing, and they all are comparing from each other that your one is bad, your one is worse, and my one is good. So this is the thing which they all were doing. Okay, my dear, have you seen grapes? You can see I have opened the slide of grapes. How beautiful it is looking now, yummy. We all love to eat grapes. Okay, and this is a seasonal fruit. This is a seasonal fruit which we used to get during the summertime. Okay, during summertime we used to get these grapes. Okay, and how beautiful they are looking on the tree. We used to eat them. Okay, they are having, they used to give us so many energy. Okay, they used to give energy to us. Okay, and they protect us from so many diseases. So eating fruit is a very good habit, my dear. Okay. Hmm. So see what happened after that. Just then a donkey carrying grapes on its back passed by them. Okay, means there was a donkey. You all must have seen donkey, and there was a person on donkey. That person was sitting, and he was passing from there. He was passing from there. You can see in this picture, my dear. See, this person, you can see this person is sitting on the donkey, and this person is passing from that place, and there was a grapes. You can see there he was holding some of the grapes in the bucket. Okay, and that bucket was just hanging on the, he was hanging on the both side of the donkey, and they all four friends, they all four people, okay, they all have seen that. Now what happened after that? Okay, till here they all became happy to see the grapes. They all were happy because they all were demanding for the same thing, but they were all were not able to communicate with each other, so they have not understood that what the other is asking. The Arab said, that is the nab. Okay, that is the anab. Okay, the Greek said, that is the steplion. Steplion. Okay, that is the steplion. The Indian said, that's the angur. The English said that's the grapes. The Russian said that's the vinaigrette. Okay, vinaigrette. Okay, now they all realize that they all want the same thing. Okay, they all realize that as they have seen the thing. Okay, they all said their in their own language, like, okay, that's it. Okay, like this they have said. As when they all four said, and they all five said in their languages, they each other seen each other, and they have understood that we all actually is demanding for the same thing. They all bought some grapes and enjoy eating them together. They all brought some of the grapes from him. Okay, from the donkey's sailor who was selling the grapes. They have all brought that grapes from him, and they all have sat in and enjoyed eating together. So what we have understood from the story, my dear, we have understood from the story that in the country there are different languages. So there should be one common thing. Okay, by seeing or by visualizing or by anything, like any common language should be there, that one language, okay, by which everyone can understood their feelings and they can communicate with each other. Because of their communication only, they all have started fighting. If they would have understood their languages, if they would have understood that what other is saying, they would not have ever started fighting, because they all were demanding for the same thing. But as they have not realized what they were asking, they all have started fighting and comparing that what I am asking is better than what you are asking. Okay, but they all were asking the same thing. That is all, my dear. Thank you, everyone. I hope you all have understood the chapter very nicely. Okay, this was all about the languages, that every country is using different languages. So that is because of that, okay, maybe the communication problem can happen. So we all should have one common language in the world through which we can communicate, and it cannot create any kind of trouble or problem to us. Okay, so that was the chapter is all about. Go through the chapter, go through the hard words, and write the hard words which I will send you, okay, as a assignment, okay, that you have to write in your copy nicely. Okay, that is all, my dear. Go through the story, go through the each and every point. If anywhere you have not understood, you can come with your query in the online classes. That is all, my dear. Thank you.